Vast golden fields, millions of sunflowers swaying gently under the sun. But behind their vibrant beauty lies a remarkable journey, where technology, nature, and human hands come together to produce pure golden drops of sunflower oil. Today, Laurel Farm invites you to follow that journey, from spring soil to bottles of radiant oil in your kitchen. After a long, cold winter, the earth needs awakening. Modern disc plows and tillers roll in, breaking up hardened soil, removing weeds, and aerating the ground. This vital first step prepares the land to nurture new life. Then, tiny sunflower seeds, the little warriors, treated to resist pests, are sown into the soil using automatic seeders. As the young plants emerge, their need for water and nutrients grows stronger each day. Though sunflowers are drought-tolerant, optimal yields still require efficient irrigation. Automated systems carefully adjust water levels based on the plant's real-time needs, preventing waste and supporting robust growth. Overhead, drones glide across the fields, delivering fertilizers and pesticides with pinpoint accuracy, maximizing plant health while minimizing environmental impact. After 60 to 80 days, something magical happens. Sunflower blossoms burst open, painting the fields a brilliant gold. Beyond economic value, these blooms become the heart of an ecosystem, attracting bees and pollinators that boost seed production and improve crop quality. During this stage, farmers often raise bees on site to assist with pollination and collect natural sunflower honey, nature's double gift. As the sunflowers turn from bright yellow to deep brown, it signals the arrival of harvest season, the most critical phase of the farming cycle. By late summer, once green fields become seas of golden sunflowers. When petals begin to wilt, revealing the black seeds inside, it's time. Massive combine harvesters roll in, clipping each flower with precision and minimizing seed loss. Inside, a powerful separation system extracts the seeds and discards the stalks. The seeds are collected in storage compartments and poured directly into trucks headed to the processing plant. Thanks to modern engineering, a single harvester can process up to 50,000 pounds of sunflower seeds per hour, a staggering leap in efficiency. Once full, the machines automatically unload into moving trucks, maintaining a seamless harvest flow. Upon arrival, the seeds undergo automatic testing to measure moisture, impurities, and overall quality. Next comes a multi-stage cleaning process. Vibrating systems and powerful air currents remove dirt, dry leaves, and broken seeds. Only the best make it through. Then comes mechanical dehuling, cracking the tough outer shell without damaging the inner kernel. The seeds are steamed to soften their structure, setting the stage for efficient oil extraction. The prepared seeds are fed into a screw press, where immense heat and pressure squeeze the oil out through narrow slots. The leftover meal, known as oil cake, is still rich in nutrients and reused for animal feed or fertilizer. The extracted crude oil contains impurities, so it goes through multiple stages: degumming, neutralizing, bleaching, and deodorizing. The result? Pure, golden, delicious sunflower oil. Refined oil moves into a fully automated bottling system. PET plastic bottles are molded on-site, cleaned, then lined up for precise filling. Caps are sealed, labels applied, and each bottle undergoes a final quality check before being packed into cartons, ready to reach supermarkets, shops, and kitchens around the world. From a tiny seed to a bottle of golden oil, it's a journey powered by precision, perseverance, and the unwavering passion of farmers. A process that not only feeds us, but also showcases the beautiful harmony between human effort and nature. Speech balloon. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments, what dish do you use sunflower oil for the most? Thumbs up, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss more inspiring stories from Laurel Farm. Clapperboard, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.